Alrighty, this video we will be coding the Imperial, full frame Imperial today. So first off, we are going to start by opening paint.net. If you haven't watched my Shocker videos yet, um, download paint.net for free. It's what I use. So the actual card templates and stuff for RDP can be found in the description. It'll be in the Discord, but you will have to link your Patreon account to it. So you will have to subscribe to RDP if you are not already, so to get access to the templates. So once you do get access to the templates, I have all my templates in another folder, so that way I can just keep them. And then, so open up templates, you're going to want to go into the Imperial folder. So then click the Imperial UV. I'm not going to really get too far into showing you all the tools and stuff in paint.net. There's other videos out there that can show you that, but I'm just going to show you how to code it today. And so we'll just do a quick, let's see. There we go. Got that. Just going to get it on both sides there. So got it in there. When you do say end up saving it, you will want to turn off this background layer with the wire mesh on it, or else when you do save it, it will like bake on to the image. So when you do open the game in BeamNG and do open the car, it will show all these lines and everything on the paint. So when you save, make sure you do turn that off. And then once you get the paint done, we'll open up BeamNG. We will go into repository, mods manager, and open your mod folder. If you don't already, create an unpacked folder. So just exactly like that. And then once you do that, go into that folder, and then we will name this test Imperial. Actually, we'll name it test Imperial 2025. There we go. So then next folder will be vehicles. Make sure you just spell it right, unlike me. And then we will go to Imperial. Then this folder can be whatever you want to name it. So I'm just going to name it Imperial Test. And then we go back to our skin template folder and get out the JBeam and the JSON file. So we'll copy those and place them into our Imperial test folder. So when we got those in there, we go back to our paint, save as, go unpacked, make sure it's in that Imperial test folder. Then we'll name it as, let's see, test Imperial. And I usually like saving it as a DDS. You can save it as a PNG as well. I'll show you at the end of the video if you are saving it as a PNG how to do that. But for the sake of things right now, I'll just do a .dds. Hit save. You'll want to choose the BC7 and then the sRGB DX11 plus and the medium compression. So once you got those, you'll hit OK, flatten, and it's saved into your Imperial test folder there. So then we will open up the JBeam file, and this will be this line right here will be exactly what you have right here. So test Imperial. Same with this one. It'll be test Imperial. We don't need to change slot type because there's only one body for it. And then the name here, that'll be what shows up in the parts menu in game. So we'll do Imperial test 2025, just so you show the difference. You don't need to have the same thing as your file name for the name. Then we'll hit save. Then open up the skin.materials. And then here where it says, since we did delete the rest of that, what it said in there, we just need the test Imperial for this. Exactly what we named it. So we'll go back into here. So we'll get rid of that skin Imperial name. So we'll go, but make sure you keep this skin Imperial right here. So we'll go test Imperial. These have to be exactly what you have it named. Just make sure you have that skin Imperial still there. You did not delete that, or else it will not work. And then this base color map. This has to be the exact same thing as what you have your folders named. So we have vehicles, Imperial, then the custom folder would be Imperial test. So we'll write Imperial test, and then this image name is what we named this, so it'd be test Imperial, and then we saved it as a DDS, so we'll write .dds, and then we hit save. And then, so now that we got all of that done, we'll hit update all mods. Anytime you add a folder, do any of that type of stuff, you'll have to update all mods, and then it'll show up in your mods. And then from there, choose vehicles, Imperial. Then once you do get in the Imperial, body, paint design, then Imperial test 2025. There we go, and it is in the game. So after you're done with that, you got the skin finished, all you have to do is go to test Imperial and hit pack, and that will open it into your, that'll just dump it right into your let's see, where is it? Right there. So it's all compressed and everything. Then, so with the color.png, when saving it as a PNG, we'll open this back up. We'll pretend like we didn't save it yet. So we'll delete that. Go back to your skin file, and so we'll save as when we're saving it. Test Imperial. We'll want to save it as when we're saving it as PNG. You'll want to put it as .color.png. So, and then you want to save it into your Imperial test folder, and then hit OK. So, don't need to change anything in here. Don't need to add the .color to these. And the skins.materials, or the skin, we'll do, let's see here, we'll do, then we just changed the DDS to .color.png, and then hit save. Then we hit Control R, and there it goes, shows up right there. So that's how you make a Imperial skin and code it and get more of the coding side of it. So that's how you code the Imperial. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching.